guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. This is another episode here. This is a 2020 na Alphard. So, ano papagawa ni client? Actually, nakita nyo, medyo nakaset up na si client. So, pinadala ni client dito na paparepair natin. So, this episode is more about rescuing than customization. So, anong mga problem nito? Ano yung unang gagawin dito? Is yung kanyang front skirt. So, makikita nyo, yung baba niya is super gas-gas na and then nawala na yung gilid. So, papalitan natin yan ng bago. Maliban dyan, sa exterior is itong side mirror. I don't know how their driver drives it, pero basag yung two sides na side mirror. So, ito, basag to. Sa kabila, basag din. Basically, yan yung gagawin sa labas. And then, yung konting body kits, medyo repair lang. Katulad nito, ayun, natatanggal na. The major thing is actually inside the car. Buksan natin. So makikita nyo ngayon, yung kanyang leather seats ay lumang-luma na. Gamit na and sira na yung kanyang mga leather. Maliban sa harap, also sa likod, makikita nyong very used. Actually, hindi natin re-upholstery to kasi maganda yung kanyang leather. What I recommended to client is actually linisan na lang natin, detailing natin. Pero sabi ni client, ayoko na, medyo luma na, sawa na ako. Gusto ko, i-upholstery natin. Pero ayoko yung gawa-gawa sa labas. Gusto niya yung original from the factory. Pero yun nga, pag original from the Toyota factory, super mahal yung seat covers. Actually, nagpa-quote kami sa mismong Toyota Japan. A set of seat covers of Alphard would cost you around like 600,000-700,000. So, super duper mahal siya. At the end, ang pinili ni client is surplus na seat cover. So, naghanap kami ng surplus na fit to this car and medyo maganda pa yung condition. I hope you guys are excited on this journey on transforming this Toyota Alphard. As I always said, wait till you see. Let's go!